Ever wondered why your business isn't reaching its full potential? Perhaps it's the common marketing challenges that are standing in your way. Effective marketing strategies are crucial to overcome these hurdles. Well, you're not alone. Many businesses struggle with this, but the good news is there are tools and tips to help you. There are several marketing tools that can help your business thrive. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are powerful tools for reaching a broad audience and creating engaging content. Email marketing software like MailChimp or Constant Contact can help you manage your email campaigns and connect directly with your customers. SEO tools such as SEMrush or Moz can boost your website's visibility and help you rank higher in search results. And let's not forget analytics tools like Google Analytics, which can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. These tools not only help you reach your target audience, but also increase your visibility and track progress. With these tools at your disposal, your marketing efforts can become more strategic and effective. In addition to tools, there are also some marketing tips that can give your business a boost. First and foremost, understanding your audience is key. Knowing their needs, preferences, and behaviors will help tailor your strategies effectively. Next, create valuable content. This isn't just about selling your products or services, but providing information that your audience finds useful and engaging. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of search engine optimization. When used correctly, SEO can significantly increase your visibility online. Finally, integrate all your marketing channels. Whether it's social media, email, or your website, make sure they work together for a cohesive brand experience. These tips can help businesses build a strong brand, engage their audience, and achieve their marketing goals. By following these tips, your marketing strategies can become more focused and impactful. To wrap it up, effective marketing is pivotal for any business. Harnessing the right tools and following proven strategies can yield remarkable results. Remember, the right marketing tools and tips can significantly boost your business. So start implementing them today.